welcome to another video of mine. I'm Kayla if you don't know me, but now you do. Guys, I don't have a set intro yet, but I'm trying to rush this little intro part because I am running late. Today's gonna be a maintenance video. As you see, I just took my hair out, blow dried it, re-dyed it, all that. So right now I'm on my way to my first appointment, which is my lash appointment. I'm running so freaking late. It's 4:42 and I was supposed to be there at 4:40. Guys, I'm so late. I had to like re-dye my hair. That took so long. I look a mess right now, but it's okay. I'm not gonna be looking a mess for long. Okay, quick fit check and then I'm gonna be out the door. Okay, so this is the fit check. Skims top, Nike sweatpants, and I'm gonna wear my pink Crocs. I have to go, y'all. I'm sorry. I will see you guys at my lash appointment. Mwah. Thank you.
Loudest drawer.
Yo, I can't open my eyes, but I'm so tired. I'm blindly just recording. I hope I press record. But yeah. I low-key think I look a mess because I had to put my hair in a ponytail. But y'all, please don't clown me. I'm done getting my lashes done. It took me forever, but they're tea. But now I'm finna go rush and get nails done because the lady is literally finna cancel on me because I'm late. This is not tea. This is not tea for me at all. Maintenance done. That's all that matters. All right, y'all. So they got music playing in here, so I'm gonna have to like cut most of this out. I'm in here looking for hair so I can go to my hair appointment because I don't think I can go to it today. And then I'm on the way to my nail appointment after this. Guys, today has been a really stressful day trying to get maintenance done all in one day. We'll never do this again, and I don't recommend for y'all to do it either. I'm thinking this color because like this is the closest color to my hair, and I'm not gonna be able to do a 613. So this 27 might be it. Yeah.
Get the fuck on my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need no trick, gold eyes don't change. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. You got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving so bitch, calling on my favorite. You know how to reach me every time, and it pays you right.
Okay, yeah, so I just made it back home. These are my nails, if y'all didn't see already. I think I showed y'all. But real cute, real tea, something different because I've never gotten like blue nails. So this is like something new for me. I'm talking about my hands because I just got my nails done. But these are my lashes too. I was late to literally both of my appointments, which is so sad. But I just got back home. I got me some Popeyes because I didn't eat and I've been running around all day. I might delete some of the clips of me getting my lash done after because guys, it just looked a hot mess and I was rushing trying to record everything. So that's really sad. But yeah, and then I didn't get a thumbnail picture of the lash place, so that's so annoying too. Because I didn't get a thumbnail picture. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll figure it out soon though. But yeah, they're really cute and I've never gotten them this long. Hair is getting done tomorrow after work. And yeah, I think that's really all I have to say, honestly. Because guys, my hair looks a mess and my eyes just look kind of crazy without my hair done. But yeah, that's all. Nothing much to it, guys. I'm not liking this vlog. I feel like it's very unorganized and yeah, Hopefully when I edit it's not that bad, but I'm not liking it so far. Please let me know if y'all like this video, because I don't. This is not it, y'all. I'm not liking this vlog at all. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat, change, and go to sleep because I have school tomorrow. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm at work. I'm gonna leave. I'm closing right now. I'm on the way to my hair appointment right after. So I'll see you then.
I know you love fucking me. I can tell by the way you in love with me. You can't get enough of me, yeah. Well, I guess it's looking like you stuck with me. 'Cause I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make my soul smile. That dick made me so damn proud. Now lay your head down on the pillow. Turn the lights down real low. I want you to stay.
Y'all, should I keep it this long? Or should I cut it? I don't know. I'm gonna get copyrighted. I don't know. Okay, y'all, so I just made it home. This is the hair. Real tea, real cute. Oh my goodness. I love it. But I don't know if I should cut it, y'all. Like, I don't know if I should cut it like to right here or just leave it long. I feel like I'm gonna leave it long for tomorrow, but I'm gonna cut it at some point. I don't know what to do. I'm so indecisive. This is the hair. And this is also the end of the maintenance vlog. So I hope you did enjoy this little vlog. It was really unorganized and I actually don't like the vlog or how I started it, but yeah, hopefully when I edit it it's not gonna be bad and like I actually do like the video. But I don't know, y'all. I don't know how I feel about this vlog, but my hair did come out cute, so I don't care. Yeah, I hope you did enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and come back for more. I will be doing another video soon, you know, recording my trip, so you guys will see that soon. And yeah, I will see you guys when I leave tomorrow. Mwah.